I'm Bernadette.
I'm Hannah.
Hannah's been wanting to give me a makeover.
I just like doing other people's makeup.
So she's gonna do my makeup now.
And she's gonna do my makeup because that's how that works.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that.
Anything's fair game, kind of. Look how nice your forehead looks right now.
I just had a laser treatment, and so all my acne's coming to the surface and my skin is like literally flaking off.
So, step 1, primer. I did not like this. It's like someone described it as cement and I'm like, that is a very accurate statement.
It's good at reducing the look of your pores, that's for sure. And I always like press it into my face so that it's like gets in there.
Yeah. Your skin's really soft.
Thank you. You put regular primer on eyelids?
Yeah, fuck it. Your dick. Wipe that away. I think you might be wanting to steal my foundation after this.
Is that the pure one?
Yeah.
You like it that much?
I think you're gonna like it.
Oh, okay, because I hated my other pure foundation.
I apparently have great luck with things people hate.
I know.
Like the Urban Decay foundation all-nighter. I loved that.
Yeah.
That was fantastic.
And everyone else hated it.
And then the Alice in Wonderland Urban Decay palette.
Everyone
Hated it, and I loved it.
Yeah. And Jeffree Star in general, everyone hated.
I love his products. You can't.
His products
You know
too.
what? Dior was an asshole, and people still like him. Last time you did not like this.
I remember you doing it at my mom's house.
Yeah, and you didn't like it.
Yeah, that looked really weird. You put long wings on my eyes. That's what made me feel weird.
Keep smiling. Accentuate what you got. Because it's great.
Yeah, that looks good. I like it.
You like the contour?
Yeah, you can barely see it.
Yeah, guess what color I used?
Brown.
The darkest one.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm not good with cream products myself. If someone else puts them on me, I'm fine, but if I do them on myself, I look ridiculous.
Well, what colors do you usually not do? Bright
Purple?
purple? Let's try purple then. Fuck
Okay.
it.
So this is out of the Jeffree Star
It's
Jawbreaker.
the Gumdrop. And then we're gonna use Good Morning from the same palette. There we go. And I'm using Own Your Power from the Trance palette by ColourPop. And I'm using Autumn Breeze from the Anna palette from ColourPop.
Frozen.
Fuck yeah, because I'm 5. I'm using Sleeper.
That's cute.
Okay, we're gonna use Spindrift from the Elsa palette. I'm doing Do or Do from It's My Pleasure palette. And yes, I'm ambidextrous. This is my left hand. All Aurora again from the Trance palette. And do eyeliner. And I'm doing it in the Batwing style because you have hooded eyes. It's a look. Probably not what you wanted me to say, but have you tried orange blush before?
No.
Alright. You have a very small face.
So you like that one? That's the least one?
No, this is ETUDE House.
Okay.
The pouty kind. The burny kind.
Grungy.
No, it's literally going to burn. Smells like pain. Rub your lips
Why
together.
is it gonna burn?
Because it's clumping.
Why would you put that on me?
Because I'm an asshole.
Ooh, it's really feels like minty.
Why is it spicy?
Ooh, that's tingly. Do you want to put anything else on me?
No.
Mascara?
No, so what do you think? What do you like?
I like the blush.
What do you think of the contour?
The blush is me. The contour is excellent. On my nose, it seems really weird. I understand your purpose of the way that you did it. I just never would do that on myself. Woo! It's like acid on my lips. The plumping lip gloss is really weird, uncomfortable.
It's a good color though.
I don't want plump lips. I like the blush and I like the way you did the contour.
What about the
For sure.
highlight?
The highlight is a little extreme for me.
Yeah, Jeffree Star.
Yeah, so it's not something I would purchase. All right, now is it my turn to do you? Are you leaving your tooth on?
Yeah, it's my headband.
Can I put more hair in it?
Do you want me to get an actual headband?
No, what if I get makeup on your toque?
That's why they go in the laundry. And it becomes a you problem. I liked how yours turned out.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think you can do bolder looks.
I think that you're kind of inspiring me to do bolder looks. You have been lately. Like, I have done, like, that blue eyeshadow I've been wearing lately, that's something I was not as bold to do before, right?
Fuck it, you only live once.
Yeah.
This is a concealer and a foundation.
Close your eyes.
What are you, my mom?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I guess I have to listen.
First time for everything.
I cleaned the whole house.
I know, you did a good job.
I am a good adult child.
Well, you deserve donuts.
No, I don't want donuts.
I
You want donuts.
know! Celebrate by getting donuts.
No. Celebrate by enjoying the clean house.
This foundation looks really good on you.
It looks good on you.
Does it?
Yeah, that's what I used on you.
Yeah, but it looks way better on you. Okay, close your eye. Yeah, that does do good. You don't even need concealer with that. So she don't even need concealer. That looks so good.
Yeah, what you can do is you can conceal it.
Got that little chickenpox scar there. Did you know what that's what that was?
No.
Yeah, that was from when you had the chickenpox.
I just know where the big forehead one is from. My own stupidity. I'm gonna go rollerblading inside a fully carpeted house and hit my head against a hardwood table.
That was so funny. And then I had to take someone else's car to the emergency room and I didn't have a driver's license. And I had their kids and you and Klaus in the car. Now that I'm using all these other eyeshadow primers, it makes me realize how good the NARS one is. This one is the Urban Decay Minor Sin or something. It's kind of chunky compared to the NARS. Makeup Forever HD. It's on Hannah's Project Pan.
Oh, is that how you're supposed to use it?
I don't know. That's why I do it. Okay, close your eyes.
Yeah, I like that orange blush on you.
I like the orange
It's
blush
a little
too.
bit of like, because you always worried about red, I was like, well, maybe orange
Yeah.
would do better.
Does me with the orange blush.
Oh man, you get to do my eyebrows.
Oh my god. You're going to
This is gonna be great. I'm excited.
crazy brows.
You can even use a marker.
Oh my god.
That's for freckles.
I'm going to use the Conspiracy palette.
Ooh.
Okay.
I love that you love that palette.
I fucking love this palette. It's my favorite thing in the world.
You take so she has like the cover on it still.
Yeah, I still put the plastic. I always have the plastic on it.
And I think we kept the boxes because she loved it.
I love this palette.
I didn't turn on the ring light.
How's that?
Yeah, I'm white.
You have such tiny little eyelids.
Yours are so small.
You're just a little baby. Like putting makeup on a baby. My baby.
I'm 29.
You're still my baby.
I'm a unicorn.
Are you scared?
Yeah, I can't see.
Can you take off the unicorn horn?
Yee!
Okay, now you have to be still.
You are so gentle.
Am I?
Yep.
If you can hear it, our landlord upstairs is vacuuming. He partied all weekend. Kept Hannah awake.
As is his rate, and I'm not even mad.
Me neither, because we love him. He's a great landlord. When I was at my boyfriend's house this weekend, Hannah cleaned the whole house when I was gone, giving us time to do this today, so that was really fucking awesome.
Yay, me. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Aw.
Yeah, that lip plumping really works for you.
And my lips plump? Diet Cola. He's really freaking vacuuming up there.
It's probably revenge for all the vacuuming I did. Because I like vacuumed the couch. Went in with the little turbo stick thingy.
Did you?
Yeah.
Wow. Which is really quite like the Park Avenue Princess, like you said.
Mm-hmm.
Ta-da! Okay, so I'm gonna use Glacier. You fucking look like David Bowie. Ground control to Major Hannah. God, you're so beautiful.
Aww.
I'm just not good at eyebrows.
No, you're currently unskilled.
Oh, I don't know. You gotta do your own eyebrows.
No, try. Do your best.
No, I don't like it. I already screwed it up. You might have to use makeup remover. Check ignition and make us happy with you. This is ground control to Major Tom. I want to try the milk ones because this always leaves a little ring.
Yeah.
And so I wonder if the milk ones are different. Eye-opening vegan mascara. I don't know how makeup artists do this. Putting mascara on other people is really hard. Wow, yeah, this really, the red makes your eyes look so green. My lips are huge!
You-
With that lip plumper. they're like so pouty.
Yeah, it really works for
It
you.
really works.
Worth the pain.
Yeah, that lip plumper is amazing.
That is bright.
Yeah. Are you afraid?
No, go for it.
You got such a tiny little mouth. I can't do it. You gotta put it on.
I like it, but I think I could take it a few steps further.
I think you could too, especially
I
with
wouldn't-
lashes.
I've done so many stars because there's
Can you show the camera your
oh yeah,
whole face?
here's my face. I wouldn't have done all of these stars. I would have done less because in this case with stamps, less is more.
Okay.
But I like the idea. I like the glitter.
I just started to get excited about stamps.
Oh, I do too. I've got dots all over my face. I would have went harder with the pigment, with the red and the silver, and then blended it more, but I like it.
Okay.
Like, I don't dislike it. I would have taken it a few steps further.
Okay, so it's like Hannah Light,
Mm-hmm.
but too much stamps.
Yeah.
And I think I didn't do a very good job of matching the lipstick to the eyeshadow. I think you probably had lipsticks that would have been better.
Yeah, I think if you went a little harder with the pigment, it would have worked.
Okay, just more layers.
Mhm.
Yeah. Because that's the way it looks in the pan. So it's this red. So I was like trying to match that red. I was going for a red, black, silvery.
Yeah, I don't see any black.
Just on your crease.
Yeah, I would go way harder with the colors. But I like what you did.
Thank
It wasn't bad. I'd do something similar.
Okay, cool.
And I like the inner corner. I like the massive amount of glitter.
What do you think about the eyeliner? Would you have done red or black?
I would have done both black, and then I would have gone over it with a white, and then I do the red, so the red would still be pigmented.
Oh,
It's like a cream white one.
I wouldn't have thought of that. This is so cool. I'm learning so much.
Yeah.
I'm glad we did this. This was fun.
Yeah. So, what do you think?
Once I looked in the actual mirror, if I put mascara on, it would just complete it. I was a little bit at first, but now I'm fine with it.
Yeah, once it sits in it, I really like going past your eyebrow line. I like how we plucked your eyebrows before.
I'm not used to putting color this high on my face, on my eyes. So she's taking advantage of how she shaped my eyebrows, which I haven't done yet. Maybe I'll start going up a little higher, and maybe I'll start winging my eyeliner out. It's shocking because I feel like I'm at an age where I'm beyond wing time.
Wing times for anyone.
Yeah, I love the peachy orangey blush though.
I love that for you. It makes your redness less red.
Yeah, I'm gonna start wearing more peachy things. I got my Just Peachy palette. Maybe I'll start.
You
doing
can
more
borrow
peachy.
my peachy blush if you really are into it.
I might. You can borrow my Just Peachy palette if you need peachy shades.
Well, you might have a shade in your blush palette.
Oh, I probably do.
I think these shades and then these shades, all but the corner ones, will look really good on you. I really like how you did the glitter and the highlight. I like that you attempted my eyebrows. You should be less scared of that. I would have just gone heavier with everything except for the stamps.
Yeah.
Is the only thing I would change. But I like how you did the eyeliner. I like how you did it. It was very how you would do things,
Thank
but
you.
not in a bad way.
I love how you doubled the eyeliner. I thought that was really creative. That's our makeovers. Maybe I could do your hair. You can have Hannah's. I could do your hair 4 different ways.
You could wear a wig then. You could wear 4 different wigs and you don't get to pick which ones.
Oh, there's a couple that I would like to wear,
Like what?
like that silvery one.
Okay, well.
And look like Daenerys Targaryen, except chubbier and older, and not such a psycho.
So yourself in a silver wig.
Okay.
Let us know what you think. I miss my e-girl aesthetic, but I can dig the Bowie aesthetic.
Yeah.
Peace.
Cheers.
Hi, I'm Baby Nuss, and I am a subscription noodle. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I sleep now.